Right then, back down at the beach again. I want to finish off where the cut was. So I only got about halfway down it. My back was playing me up, so it was time to go home. I'm coming out with the Deus 2 today. I'm not going to use the Techna program because I got slagged off by certain people saying that they can do better, which, you know, at the end of the day, that's fine. It's not a problem. So I'll go back to my old program and see what I can pull out. I enjoyed using the Techna program, but I'm not going to have issues with people on the internet and trolls. So yeah, I'll go back to my old program. I just want a peaceful life. Enjoy. The tide is out. It is on its way back. Enjoy. See at the first hole. It's a coin, it's a coin. It's aluminium, it's aluminium. Let's see how we go. Enjoy. You alright?
Alright, anything good?
No, not yet. They're all zeros and a long flat line. That could be a rusted coin. Oh, it's definitely rust. What we got? Definitely rust. Probably, yeah, it looks like an old bottle cap. Oh well, first hole, never mind. 85.86. Ordinarily I'd say it's a pound. That's out. Yeah, it is. It's an old pound as well. That's in good condition. Old pound. Right, as soon as I turn you off, so I've got a pound from there. I've got a 71 now. Yeah, all the way round. 71. 20p, 20p I think it is. Can't see anything. Yep, 20p. 20 pence. 55 all the way round. Ooh. So 55 all the way round. 5p, I think. Yep. £5p. The Deus 2 definitely does it. 53 jumping around everywhere. And I've got a 50, 57, 58 there. So, is it just the same signal? Well, it might be two signals. Yeah. Definite rubbish. Capri Sun. Oh, there was 2 signals. I got a 70-71 as well. Strange. It's still there. Right, 70-71 is normally a 20p. There we go. 20p. Right, well, as you can see, someone's come all the way down here. I would say a rusty coin. I'm getting a 69 there. So that's a 4. And the arrows are going the opposite way to each other. So, or the line, I should say. Yeah, there it is. Rusty 2p. So, what's this other signal? $66 to $68. Pinpointing running. Ah, there it is. 50p? Yeah, 50p. 50p. Now, that's a 4, so it's going to be a rusty penny or rusty 2p, I would have thought. Oh, there it is. It's not rusty either. I wonder why it was doing that. Unless it's just because of the core. But yeah, no rust on that. But that's not what it was telling me. So it must be the silly iron core that's in the middle of it. $65. Nice straight line. Potential coin. Oh yeah, here it is. What have we got this time? 10p piece. 10p. $77, $78. And it's out. Can't see anything. A bit of aluminium. Just a bit of aluminium. And down on the wet sand. Lovely 80 signal. But not sure what it'll be. A bit fishy, mate, I suppose. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, sorry. Shouldn't swear. It's a bloody ring. Oh. The Deus 2 does it again. And there is a guy that is also metal detecting down here, and he has just walked along here. So how the hell did he miss that? Hallmarked. Hallmark there. We have a lovely, big, thick wedding band. Thank you very much. Oh, chuffed to bits with that. We've got an 84 now, a little way down, but yeah, the guy who's metal detecting down here has just walked past here. I just watched him. Probably a fishing weight, but oh, it's out. It's out. 86. It could be a pound coin, actually. Oh, it's got a bit of green on it. It feels the right size for a pound coin, the old style, the round ones. That's right around the outside, so yeah, one of the old round pounds. There you go. And he just walked straight over that. Oh well, his loss, my gain. There you go. Well, it's a bit scratchy, to be fair. It's come up 70. And then when I go a different way, it's all crackly and comes up as a 37. Oh, it's a 64 now. Now the hole's open. What is that? Toy car? Don't know. No, bottle. No, that's why you wear gloves. The glass on that. Anyway, it's off the beach now. That's out. It's out. That's fishing weight. Just a fishing weight. That's out. Loud as anything, 72. So, Was it a 20p? Or is it a bit of aluminium? Well, it is potentially a bit of aluminium. Looks like a buckle of some sort. Don't know. Don't know what that would have been from. Ah, 87 solid. Slightly off, so it's an 86, 87. That's out. Oh, it's a pound. It's a pound. Should be able to spend that one again. So there you go, another pound. I got a 69.70. Right, it's out. Ah, you get old English. That came out as crystal clear. I suppose there's no rust on it. Never mind. Old English cider. That's last hole. A bit crackly. 72. No matter what way round I go. So, anyway, let's see what it is. Old-fashioned ring pull. Finish on a banger. Never mind. Anyway, there you go. Old-fashioned ring pull.